Hey everybody, I wanted to share a short video on Layen's method framing and foundation for honeybee hives. I made these myself. Very simple, just pine and stainless steel wire. And I want to show you how to apply the beeswax foundation to the frame. Now I'm using quarter sheets. You can use a half sheet, or you can even use a whole sheet, but I found out that this is fine. It's actually the best because the bees have something to start with, but yet they still have work to do. So I start with pressing these just a little bit to keep it tight to the wire. Then I take the safety cap off. This is the lawnmower battery, 12 volt. And this is all you do. Attach one side here and here until you see the wire start to come through the wax. And it's got a really nice fragrance. It doesn't take long. That should be enough. You can see this is starting to melt through here. And this not so much, but I'll press it a little bit. And that's how you do it. The reason I'm doing this now, I already have I rescued a swarm this spring. And they are in a hive. They're growing amazingly quickly. And I'm concerned that they may get too crowded and then go and swarm someplace else, but I want to keep them here. So I'm going to prepare another hive for them today. So anyway, please watch the rest of the videos on our website, our YouTube channel, and I'm going to keep making these, and thanks for watching.